Hello. This short video will show you how to submit your homework at statsclass.org. Okay, let's go ahead and get started then. The first thing we'll need to do is to go to our course website. You can see that there's a guided homework available for Module 1.1. We'll go ahead and click on that link, and what this will do is ask you to create a copy of your homework assignment. Now I use Google Docs for my work, so you'll need to make a copy of that. And this assignment, Module 1.1 guided homework, will be put into your Google Drive. You then are to complete the assignment. So here you have some questions that I'd like you to answer, and it looks like I want you to include a screenshot in this assignment. Once that information, or once your assignment is done, then it's time to submit that work. So we'll go back to our course website. And notice that I do not have a submit icon or submit button here for this assignment. And the reason I don't is because you will need to log into your account first. So if we come up to the top, in the right-hand corner, and say log into your Stats Class account using the information that you created when you created the account. And now you'll see that I have a submit icon for that assignment. So if I click on that, and what you're going to need to submit here is just a shareable link to that document. So if I go into my Google folder here, this is the assignment that I'd like to submit. I will do a right click and say Get Link. And this will provide a link that can be used and put in that text box so that I can access your assignment. Now, I want you to notice that right now this has been restricted. So I cannot open that. So what you need to do before you submit that link is change this to anyone with the link. Now I will be able to see your homework assignment. If you change this to editor, then what that means is I will be able to add comments to your homework assignment. So if you leave it as viewer, I'll be able to view it. But if you give me access to edit that document, I will be able to leave comments regarding your work that you completed. So I don't care if you give me the ability to edit or not, but for sure it has to be on viewer so that I can see it. Okay, let's copy that link then. And now I can go back to that form and just submit that link. Now, I said I use Google Docs. If you choose to use Word, that is fine. You will need to put your documents on OneDrive or someplace where that you can share them to me. So what I need here is a shareable link. Some students prefer PDF files. That's fine if you just put that PDF file in your Google Drive or on your OneDrive and obtain a shareable link. Once you have that in there, go ahead and say Submit Homework. This will just be your submission receipt. If you want to take a screenshot of that, you can. Usually we don't have to worry about that, but it's there. We return to the course website, and now you can see that I have some additional information. If you need to change what you submitted so you can edit your link, you can give me another file if you want. Here you can see what was submitted. So that's a good idea to make sure you submitted the right thing. So that's just checking that the link that you provided is working okay. And then finally, because this is a guided homework assignment, a solution is provided immediately upon submission. So you'll be able to check your answers right away here regarding your assignment. Now, the solution for the regular homework assignments are not provided immediately after submission. The solutions there will be provided after the due date has passed. Make sure and log out of your account before leaving. And that should do it then for information on how to submit your homework at statsclass.com. Thank you very much and have a good afternoon.